Hello everybody. So today I'll be doing chapter 2, which is variables and simple data types. In this chapter we'll learn about the different kinds of data we can work with in our Python programs. We'll also learn how to use variables to represent data in our programs. So for the first example, we have hello world.py. So this we have message is equals to hello, the string hello Python world, and then print message. Let's try that. Sorry, my laptop is slow, but it's going to print hello Python world in the terminal. And then we have variables. So the same in the same example, hello Python world. So our message is string hello Python world. We've added a variable named message. So this is message is our variable, and then the string hello Python world is our value, and then we call the print to print our variable, which is message, and then it's going to print out hello Python world. We have naming and using variables. When we're using variables in Python, we need to adhere to a few rules and guidelines, and breaking some of the rules will cause errors. Other guidelines just help us to write code that's easier to read and understand. So the Python variables we're using at this point should be lowercase. We won't get errors if we use uppercase, but uppercase letters in variable names have special meanings that will be discussed in the later chapters. Okay, so avoiding name errors when using variables. Every programmer makes mistakes, and most make mistakes every day. Although good programmers might create errors, they also know how to respond to those errors efficiently. So let's try to write a code. Try the code that generates an error on purpose. We're gonna say let's do it here. I can just do it here. Let me comment this out. Okay, so we have message is equals to string hello Python crash course reader. Okay, and then we're gonna say print message. This will throw an error because as you can see, the spelling of our variable is incorrect, so that's why it's going to throw an error to show that this variable was not declared in our program. So it will throw an error, so we must make sure that the variable name in our print statement it matches the variable name that we have here, that we declare here. You understand, Google? Google, Google, can you hear me? Google. Okay.
Yes, Matt, I can still hear you.
Okay. I thought maybe you couldn't hear me. Okay. Um, so we have so variables are labels. Variables are often described as boxes you can store values in. We have strings because most programs define and gather some data and then do something useful with it. It helps to classify different types of data. The first data type we'll look at is the string. Um, so we have, okay, let me just clear this. Okay, so we have name dot py, which is name Ada Lovelace, print name dot title. This changes it changes case in a string. So we have using variables and strings. We have first name Ada, or string is Ada, and then last name Lovelace. Then full name is equals to f string first name and last name as a string. So when we call the print thingy with our variable, it will print out the full name. Check that. There we go, Ada Lovelace.